Hey everybody, it's Henry's Tattoos. I'm going to show you how to make Armenian Vospov Kofte. Basically, these are red lentil koftes made without meat. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so just into a small saucepan, we're going to start by adding in 1 cup of red lentils. And we'll top this up with about 3 cups of cold water. And we're just going to bring this to the boil. Alright guys, so once you get a gentle boil going like that, we'll turn the heat down to low to medium. And we just want to simmer these for around 15 to 20 minutes until the lentils are tender. Okay, as you can see, our lentils are nice and tender now. And you still want that bit of liquid there. That's important for the next step. So guys, what we're going to do now is adding 1 cup of bulgur. And that's just dry, not soaked. Just going to stir that through as well. And all we're going to do is continue cooking this on a low heat. So we want to cook it for probably about another, say, 15-20 minutes. Just to let all that liquid absorb. Alright, so in the meantime, we're just going to dice an onion. Now we can either use a small or half of a big one. And we just want to very finely dice this. As fine as you possibly can. So just into a pan we'll add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to add our onions straight in. And all we really want to do is fry these on a low to medium heat until they're soft and golden brown. So take your time doing this. It'll take around 5 minutes. Alright, so after about 5 minutes they should be nice, soft and golden brown like so, which is what we want. So we'll turn the heat off. Okay, as you can see, a lot of the liquid has been absorbed. So what we're going to do is add our onions in. Now I'm also going to be adding in half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of sweet paprika. And we'll just mix all that together. And at this point we'll turn our heat off too. So we'll just let that cool down for a little bit before we serve it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and actually shape these now. Obviously you need to make sure it's cool to touch. So what I've got here is a bowl of warm water, which you are going to need. So we'll dip our hands into the warm water first. And you want to grab about, how should I explain that? About a golf ball size of our mixture. Just in our hands. You want to make it as smooth as possible. And that's where the water comes in handy. And then we sort of want to make an oval shape like that. And then you want to flatten that just a little bit. Just like that. And then we'll put it onto a plate. And we're just going to continue doing that. Alright, and there we have it. I've just served that up with a simple salad on the side. And we'll finish it off with some fresh parsley, of course. And there we have it, ready to be served. So it is best served warm, but of course if you put it into the fridge, they are still edible, they are still fine, there's nothing wrong with that. So storage wise, obviously pretty much have it within 2 days. But it is very easy to make, as you can see. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.